Hello students, today we will discuss NTA NEET Abhyas Test 88 Chemistry Solution. Myself Navneet Jain, Happy Independence Day to all. We will start from question number 1. The wavelength will be minimum for which of the following electronic transition in an uni-electron species? If we are discussing about uni-electron species, as we move from n is equal to 1 to n is equal to 2 to n is equal to 3 to n is equal to 4, we see that the energy difference between the two successive energy levels is decreases as we move from 1 to infinity. So maximum energy is required for the transition of 3 to 1. Maximum energy is corresponding to minimum wavelength, and in the question the wavelength will be minimum for which of the following electronic transition. So n is equal to 3 to n is equal to 1. We can say that E3 minus E1 maximum energy required. Second one E2 minus E1. Third one E4 minus E2, and last is E6 minus E4. Now we will move to question number 2. The correct solubility order. Calcium carbonate is more soluble than strontium carbonate is more soluble than barium carbonate. We know very well that in group number 2, which is the group of alkaline earth metal, as we go from top to bottom in a group, hydration enthalpy decreases more than the lattice enthalpy, so solubility of carbonate also decreases. So first is correct. As we move from top to bottom in alkaline earth metal, the solubility of carbonate decreases since hydration enthalpy decreases more than the lattice enthalpy. If we are discussing about the solubility of alkali metal carbonate, the order is reverse. As we move from top to bottom, the solubility of carbonate increases. So this order is also correct, and this order is also correct, and this order is incorrect. The solubility of alkali metals carbonate increases as we go down the group in group number 1 from top to bottom. So answer is D, first, second and third. Now we move to question number 3. Number of stereoisomers of the given compound. There is a double bond and one chiral center. Double bond is able to show geometrical isomerism. So one is cis form and other is Z form. And these optical isomers A, B are non-superimposable mirror images, hence they are enantiomers. C and D also non-superimposable mirror images, they are also enantiomers. So there are 4 stereoisomers in pent 3 in 2 all. Question number 4. How many molecules are there in 10 drops of water if its volume is 0.05 ml per drop and density is 1 gram per ml? Mass is equal to density into volume. Density is 1 and volume is 0.05. So mass is 0.05 gram. We know very well that in 18 gram of water there is 1 mole and Na molecules. In 18 gram of water there is 6.023 into 10 raised to the power 23, which is Avogadro number. If we do this expression, we will get 1.667 into 10 raised to the power 21. 1.667 into 10 raised to the power 21, which is option A. Now question number 5. Setting of plaster of Paris involve oxidation by atmospheric oxygen, no. Reaction with atmospheric carbon dioxide, no. Dehydration, no. Hydration to it another hydrate. CaSO4.H2O is converted in the presence of H2O 3 moles of CaSO4.2H2O. Question number 6. Of these compound, which compound has minimum heat of hydration per bond? Cis-butene, trans-butene, 2,3-dimethyl butene, and then benzene. Benzene is an aromatic compound and there is a delocalization of pi bond, so answer is D. Minimum heat of hydration for benzene per pi bond. So there are resonance in pi bond delocalization. The major product obtained in the following reaction. First is the carbylamine reaction, and in carbylamine reaction primary amine group is converted into isocyanate group. Palladium and carbon is a reducing agent which converts ketonic group into alcoholic group and cyanide into primary amine CH2NH2. So option is first is correct, I think so. Option is 1 of question number 7. Now we move to question number 8. In question number 8, the reaction of chlorine water with propene produces. Chlorine is react with water to form HCl and HOCl. And HOCl is protonate with itself and forms HOCl, and this is reacted with this species. So 2-degree carbocations is formed, and this carbocation is attack on, and water is attack on this carbocation. So there is 1-chloropropane to all is the product, which is option A. Question number 9. Borax is X H3BO3. Orthoboric acid. Method of preparation of orthoboric acid. Borax Na2B4O7 plus H2O plus HCl, which gives NaCl plus H3BO3. So X is HCl and H3BO3 is heated, give boric anhydride B2O3, and B2O3 gives boron. This is not B boron. So aluminium is a reducing agent, forms Al2O3 plus boron. So answer is HCl and aluminium. Answer is HCl and aluminium. There is no option. Magnesium is also correct. HCl and magnesium. Best available option is A. But B2O3 aluminothermite process is used for the reduction of boric oxide or boric anhydride. We move to question number 10. Rectified spirit contain 95% of ethanol biomass. The mole fraction of ethanol is. The mole fraction of ethanol is equal to number of moles of ETOH plus number of moles of ETOH plus number of moles of H2O. 95 by 46 upon 95 by 46 plus 5 by 18, which is equal to 2.065 plus 0.227 is equal to 0.881, which is option D. Question number 11. H2O2 is prepared in laboratory by the reaction of H2SO4 with Na2O2. Correct है? When H2SO4 is react with Na2O2, product is Na2SO4 and H2O2. And barium peroxide BaO2 plus 8H2O is react with H2SO4 gives BaSO4 plus H2O2 plus H2O. So both A and C is correct. Question number 12. Benzyl bromide is react with AgCN. AgCN is a covalent oxide So the lone pair of nitrogen is attack on benzyl bromide. So product is PHCH2NCB. If KCN is used, the product is PHCH2N. KCN is ionic compound. AgCN is a covalent compound. Which among the following is a false statement? SiO2 has a structure similar to that of CO2. No. SiO2 has covalent network structure in which 8-member ring is formed. Each silicon atom is tetrahedrally surrounded by 4 oxygen atoms, and each oxygen atom is tetrahedrally surrounded by 2 silicon atoms. So there is 8-member ring. Question number 14. The vapor pressure of mercury is 0.002 mm of mercury at 27 degrees Celsius. The value of equilibrium constant Kc is. If we have to calculate Kp is equal to 0.002 millimeter of mercury. Kp is equal to pressure of mercury in gaseous phase. If we will convert into ATM, is divided by 760 millimeter of mercury, which is equal to 2.63 into 10 raised to the power minus 6 ATM. We know very well that Kp is equal to Kc RT raised to the power delta N of gas, and delta N of gas is equal to 1. Since gaseous product is 1, in product side 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. Delta N of gas is equal to number of moles of products in gaseous state minus number of moles of product in reactant side. So Kc is equal to Kp by RT delta N of gas. Kp is equal to 2.63 into 10 to the power minus 6. R is 0.082 and temperature is 27 degrees Celsius. We will put 300 Kelvin. The solution of this expression is 1.06 into 10 raised to the power minus 7 A. Question number 15th. If 0.1 mole of salt is added to 1 liter of water, which of these salt expected to produce the most acidic solution? The salt, which is a combination of strong acid and weak base. HNOH, NH4OH is a weak base and HNO3 is a strong acid. Strong acid and weak base. So answer is B. Question number 16th. A monolysis of RX give mixture of primary, secondary, tertiary and quaternary ammonium salt. RX is react with NH3 minus of HX will produce RNH2, which further react with RX and produce R2NH, which further react with RX and produce R3N, which further react with RX forms R4N plus and X minus. Question number 17. Which among the following represent chelating ligand? 2,2-dipyridyl. Chelate ring is formed when the ligands are donated their lone pair of electron to metal and form a chelate ring which stabilizes the complex. This is pyridine. 2,2-dipyridyl. Better to represent this is chelating ligand. Question number 18. When passed through heated iron tube, propine polymerized to give. Propine gives mesitylene 1,3,5 trimethylbenzene. Propine So on trimerization, this polymerization take place, and mesitylene is the product which is 1,3,5 trimethylbenzene. Question number 19. Carbon graphite react with oxygen to form CO2. Two COs react with oxygen to form 2 moles of CO2. The heat of formation of CO will be. The heat of formation of CO is given by and this is obtained when enthalpy change is minus 394 and this reaction is divided by 2, so half of O2 and gives CO2 gas. If we will revert this reaction and divide by 2, CO2 gas gives CO gas plus half of O2 gas plus 569 is divided by 2, which is equal to 109.5 kilojoule. Answer is A. 569. So 394 to 84.5, and the answer is 394 109.5. Question number 20. Which of the following oxidation reduction phase will be reduction potential vary with pH? pH is negative logarithm of H plus, and H plus will involve in 2 oxygen. No, there is no oxygen, there is second. If we balance this half reaction, AmO2 2 plus gives Am4 plus. By using ion electron method, there are 2 oxygen, so there are 2 moles of H2O is added product side and 4 moles of H plus is added on reactant side. For balancing charge, there is plus 6 and there is plus 4. So we add 2 electrons on reactant side for balancing the charge, and there are 4 moles of H plus which vary the pH. So the answer is second only. Question number 21. Which of the following is correct? The number of electrons present in valence shell of S in SF6 is 12. Correct. There are 6 sigma bonds and 12 valence electron. The rate of reaction involving ionic compound are slow. No. The correct order of ability to form ionic compound among Na plus, Mg2 plus and Al3 plus is no. Al3 plus forms mostly covalent compounds, and the polarization power of aluminium 3 plus is very high. So the answer is A. Question number 22. Which of the following graph correctly represents the variation of particle momentum with associated de Broglie wavelength? The lambda is equal to h by p, which is equal to h by mv. Lambda is inversely proportional to p. So the graph which is correct is D. Question number 23. Which of the following compound is formed when a mixture of K2Cr2O7 is react with NaCl and H2SO4? This reaction is very important. From D block element, there is a red vapors of chromyl chloride gas is formed, which is CrO2 Cl2. Red vapors gas. Question number 24. Osmotic pressure 40% weight by volume urea solution is 1.64 atm, and that of 3.42 weight by volume cane sugar is 2.46 atm. When equal volume of the above two solutions are mixed, the osmotic pressure of the resulting solution is. We know very well that pi 1 plus pi 1 v1 plus pi 2 v2 is equal to pi of resulting solution is equal to v1 plus v2. So 164 into 1 plus 2.64 into 1 equal volume है. Pi of resulting solution is multiplied by 2. So pi of resulting solution is equal to 4.10 is divided by 2, which is equal to 2.05 atm. Option is D is correct. Question number 25. Benzaldehyde is react with hydroxylamine. So there is a removal of H2O and forms PH, CH, double bond N and OH syn. And anti, there are two geometrical isomer. Mixture of syn and anti-oxime. Option A is correct. In the given reaction, Ri is react with NaC in the presence of DMF. Ri may not be. In the presence of dimethyl formamide, there is a SN2 reaction. In SN2 reaction, the tertiary alkyl halides are least reactive towards SN2 reaction. So option C is correct. We'll move to question number 27. Calculate the resonance energy of nitrous oxide from the following data. There are two resonance forms of nitrous oxide. But the given information is for N double bond N and N double bond O double bond O and N double bond O. So we will do question from this resonance structure. But stable is this one. This one is more stable than this. Since negative charge is on oxygen atom, resonance contributor B is more stable than A, but we will do question from question number A since data is given for N double bond N and N double bond O. So the reaction is N2 plus half of O2 gives N2O. Enthalpy of formation change calculated is equal to bond energy of reactant minus bond energy of product. Which is equal to N triple bond N plus half of the O double bond O minus N double bond N plus O double bond O. We will put data 946 plus half into 498 minus 41 N double bond N 418 minus 607, which is equal to 170, and resonance energy is equal to experimental enthalpy of formation change minus calculated enthalpy of formation change of N2O, which is equal to 82 minus 170, which is equal to minus 88. Answer is B. Question number 28. Which one of the following sequence represents the correct increasing order of bond angle? H2O, OF2, OCl2 and ClO2. Maximum bond angle is ClO2. There are two options in center atom as larger size. Then OCl2, H2O, OF2, H2O and OF2, H2O and OF2. Due to the high electronegativity of oxygen, the electron cloud is shifted from oxygen. Due to the repulsion, the bond angle is increases. So H2O have more bond angle than OF2. So option C is correct. Question number 29. The potential difference across the terminals of a cell varies with the current drawn from the cell. According to the graph, when current is drawn from the cell, potential decreases linearly and it becomes zero when the cell is discharged. So option is C. Question number 20. A compound C9H10O show positive iodoform test. C double bond O CH3. A option. B option. C is incorrect. And D is also correct. C double bond O CH3. Oxidation of A with KMnO4 gives an acid. Anhydride of B is used for the preparation of phenolphthalein. Phthalic anhydride is used in the preparation of phenolphthalein. So phthalic acid is formed. Phthalic acid is benzene 1,2 dicarboxylic acid, which is formed from A. So answer A is correct for question number 30. Question number 31. In the given reaction, acetophenol is react with Br2 and KOH, bromoform and C6H5COO- on acidification C6H5COOH. Benzoic acid is the product. Option B is correct. Question number 32. Protein is a polymer of L-amino acid. Alpha L-amino acid. All the protein is formed from the peptide bond of L-amino acids combination. Question number 32. The answer is C is correct. For the question number 33. To stop bleeding is applied locally because we know very well that our blood is a negative soul, and when the iron 3+ is contact with our blood, the coagulation take place, cause denaturation of protein present in the blood. Question number 34. 2 moles of NO2 plus O3 gives N2O5 plus O2. The reaction of nitrogen dioxide and ozone represent is the first order in NO2 gas and O3 gas. Which of these possible reaction mechanisms is considered with the rate? First step is slow step. So the rate is equal to O3 and NO2 and order is 1,1. Which of the possible is considered with the rate law? When the rate law says that rate is equal to K, the order with respect to 1 for NO2, and which is telling in question the reaction of NO2 and O3 represent is first order in NO2 and O3 gas. In mechanism 1 there is a first order, so mechanism 1 is consistent with the rate law, and mechanism 2 is a slow step, so the rate is equal to K concentration of NO2 and concentration of nascent oxygen, which is calculated from first K1O3 is equal to K2O2, which is calculated from steady static kinetics. The value of nascent oxygen is equal to K1 by K2, and ozone is divided by concentration of ozone is divided by oxygen. So nascent oxygen is equal to K O3 by O2, and this value is put in this expression. So rate is equal to K NO2 O3 is divided by O2. The order with respect to NO2 and O3 is also 1. So mechanism 1 and 2 both are consistent with the rate law. Question number 35th. Ethane nitrile is react with Grignard reagent. There is a negative charge which will attack on carbon. So CH3, C double bond N, MgBr. On hydrolysis, this is H2NO. There is a product of acetone plus MgBr and NH2. Product is acetone. Question number B, option number B is correct. Question number 36. Grignard reagent, acid base reaction, negative is accept CH3 minus accept D plus and form CH3 and D. So acid base reaction, Grignard reagent is highly basic in nature, which accept the proton from the heavy water. Question number 38. Which of the following exists mainly in enol form? The enol form of this molecule is OH double bond OH, and this is stabilized by intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Option number B is this is enolic form, and this is stabilized due to the aromaticity, and this is ultimated enol. This is ultimate enol since enol contains aromatic character. Option number C is also show aromaticity. The enolic form is this, and this is also contain aromaticity, so option D is correct. Question number 39. The variation of the extent of adsorption with pressure at a given constant temperature is given in the following figure. We know very well that when the temperature increases x by m, which is the magnitude of adsorption decreases. So this temperature is high and this temperature is low. So T1 is high. So option C is correct. T1 is greater than T2 is greater than T3. T3 is the low temperature since x by m is maximum for T3, isotherm. So option C is correct. Which trihalide is not hydrolyzed by water? NF3. Why? Since nitrogen does not contain d orbital. On reaction with water, there is an acceptance of lone pair of H2O. There is no vacant d orbital for nitrogen, and there are 8 electrons around the nitrogen atom, 1 lone pair and 3 bond pair. There is no space for accepting the lone pair of electron from oxygen of water molecule, so NF3 is not hydrolyzed. Question number 41. Lysine is which type of amino acid? The structure of lysine is NH2 CH2 whole 4 and CH NH2 and COOH. There are 2 amino group and 1 carboxylic group. So this amino acid will basic in nature due to the presence of 2 amino group. When NaCl is doped at 10⁻⁻5 mole % of strontium chloride, then what is the number of cationic species per mole of NaCl? We know very well that the number of cationic species is equal to the number of Sr2 plus ion, and number of Sr2 plus ion is equal to Na by 100. So Na into 10 raised to the power -7. So option B is correct. 43. Question number. When the acetic acid and formic acid is heated with MnO at 300 degrees Celsius, the X will be, there is a release of CO2 and H2O and acetaldehyde. The product is acetaldehyde. CO2 and H2O, and the product is acetaldehyde. Question number 44. In which of the following molecule have all the effect, namely inductive, mesomeric and hyperconjugation? I think so. Option C. Option C contains delocalization, means resonance by this manner. When this bond is moved, then negative charge is shifted to oxygen. This is CH3, double bond CO negative and CH3. This is mesomeric effect, inductive effect and hyperconjugation. Inductive effect is also shown by CH3 group, and hyperconjugation is shown by this structure, C double bond O CH3. This is double bond and this is CH3. There are 2 hydrogens which show hyperconjugation structure by this manner. H plus H, C double bond O CH3, and this is CH3. So option C is correct, which show both mesomeric, hyperconjugation and inductive effect is shown by methyl group due to the plus I effect. In the above reaction, SO2H2 3S plus H2O with choice has value twice that of equivalent mass of oxidizing agent. Sulfur is turned from +4 to 0. So reduction is take place of sulfur. Since oxidation number decreases, so this is oxidizing agent SO2, and equivalent mass of SO2 is equal to molecular mass upon change in oxidation number, and the molecular mass is 64, change in oxidation number is plus 4204. So this is 16 and twice is 32. So answer is B. So this is the NTA NEET Abhyas test 88 chemistry solution. I think so 150 plus is a good score in this paper. Thank you very much.